Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. The facelifted Audi S3 lineup is here with more than just visual change, and we still don't get sweet looking Sportback in the US market. Outside is a refreshed front and rear fascia with new metric LED lights, a new grille design and new bumper design. There also is new dynamic plus driving mode to work with a new torque splitting differential derived from the RS3. Spec sheet powering the S3 now is a 2.0-liter turbo 4, making 328 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, 2 or 4 wheels. 0 to 60 mph happen under 4.7 seconds. With a 155 mph limited top speed, this is paired to a 7-speed S-tonic gearbox. Then comes the wild new differential. Audi has taken the torque splitter rear axle from the RS3 and fit it to the S3. It is using a multiple clutch setup on each rear axle, safe to send power left to right, aiming to reduce the famous Audi understeer. The updated S3 also features two-phase suspension component, a lower ride height, and torque control. Okay guys, what do you think about 2025 Audi S3 Sportback? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.